Hello world, this is RandomFIX, and today I'm going to show you how to reset a check engine light on this Honda Insight. And we're going to be using one of these cheap and expensive scanners, and I'll have a link to this in the description box below. But if you got a check engine light on and you're not sure how to go ahead and find out what it is, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and plug this in and scan this for free and save yourself a bunch of money. The first thing you want to do is locate the OBD2 port on the vehicle, and these are normally going to be located on the driver's side. And as we can see, ours is right here where my finger is, the white connector. And the best part about these OBD2 connectors is they can only go in one way. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in, and I instantly have power, which is what we want. And just to show you guys, the check engine light on this vehicle is on. It's right there. And what you want to do now is turn the ignition off. In order to scan your check engine light, you want to make sure that the ignition is on. So this is where all the lights are on, but the car is not running. And we're going to grab the scanner here and push enter. And so we got a total of 8 codes found. 7 monitors that are non-applicable, 1 that's okay, and 3 that are incomplete. And so I can go ahead and read the check it what's actually going on with this car. I'm going to go under powertrain and under the second powertrain, and here's my engine codes. I have a P0102, a P0455, a P0113. So there's a lot of things in here. So I've already gone ahead and corrected the problem on here, and I'm going to show you guys something before I erase this. You want to go to the IM monitor readiness right here. That stands for inspection monitors, and on the inspection monitors you're going to go ahead and go into powertrain and to where it says since last cleared, and you can see all these right here say okay, okay, and all the components show that they're fine. But I'm going to show you guys this as soon as I actually clear the check engine light. Do you want to reset this? Yes. And so the codes now. There's no codes now currently. And with all the codes gone, I'm going to show you guys the same screen I showed you earlier. And now if you see, it says fuel system monitors incomplete, catalyst monitor incomplete, evap system monitor incomplete. So if you actually go purchase a vehicle from somebody, or you're thinking about purchasing and you scan one of these vehicles and you're getting those same exact things where the check engine light is off, but all these are incomplete, you may want to go get a pre-sale inspection on that vehicle instead, because somebody cleared it before you got there. And as you can see, our check engine light is currently off, and I'm going to show you guys that the check engine light on this car is now gone. So there you go, my check engine light on the vehicle is gone. And when the check engine light on this particular vehicle gets turned on, a lot of other things get turned on. You guys saw earlier we had a little brake fault. So a lot of these cars are pretty integrated. But I really hope this video helped you guys out and will save you a bunch of money. Check out my links below for related videos. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this that save you time and money. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.